welcome back to the Florida Boys Outdoors channel. I'm actually filming in the car right now because it's not the best weather conditions this morning. We got a pretty steady light rain. It's nothing too bad, it's tolerable, but hey, rain doesn't stop us from fishing, right? So we're gonna get out here. Gonna try to catch a couple fish today. Hopefully just make a video, you know, get you guys some content. So yeah, see y'all next clip. A really nice color. It has a little bit of natural color and has a little bit of darker colors. You got this backside has like nice green color and this has nice blue flake. So, show you guys how I rigged that up. Just run it through. Right in there. And I just use a bobber stopper on my Texas rig, especially with creature baits, because I feel like it helps with presentation on the fall. So, but that's all just preference, guys. It's nothing you gotta do, nothing that's, you know, I just feel like it's a little bit better. That's all. Got one, guys. There we go. There we go. There we go. Not a bad one either. Not a bad one at all. That's what I'm talking about. Y'all see that? Y'all see that? Y'all see that healthy fish right there? That's what I'm talking about. Hell yeah. I'll take that all day. Yeah. Yep, chatterbait didn't let us down, guys. Chatterbait did not disappoint. Healthy little fish. There we go. Man, I cannot complain with today, man. Oh man, I love it. I love it, I love it, I love it. Today has just been great. Extreme day today. That's a better one. 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 That's a better one, guys. That is a serious fish right there, boys. Holy sh! Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god! I gotta run to the car and get my scale. I have to. I have to. Oh my god, that is a serious fish. Guys, please do not give me any hate. I gotta get a scale weight on this guy. Give me a second. Give me a second. That's a serious fish. I told y'all that brush pile was gonna hold one. I told y'all. Yeah. Yeah. That is a serious fish. All right, hold on. Let's run to the car. I'm gonna get my scale. You already see what it is, boys. Can't catch him from the couch, bro. Get out and fish, bro. All right, guys. Y'all complaining for my scale. It's an older one, but it works. Here we go. Come on. She's probably at least 4.5. That's what I would say, 4.5. Don't want to put any pressure on her gills or anything, so we're gonna do just like this. I don't think this scale's right. Or calibrated, to be honest. Hold on. Hold on, guys. Hold on. At this point, I'm about to just let Big Mama go because I don't want her to get hurt or anything. Baby girl might just be letting you go without weighing you. Yeah, there's no way that thing's calibrated. Either way, beautiful fish. Oh, she got me excited. I'm not gonna lie. And she swam off strong and healthy. So I like to see. Yeah, guys, sorry. My scale was not calibrated whatsoever, so I really thought it was gonna be, but it's not. Let's go back and try to get some more. Oh man. Right at the bank, right at the bank. There we go, that's a nice one too. That's a solid fish. I'll take that all day. You see that? Inhale the chatterbait. Beautiful fish. Come back for it, baby. Come on. Got him right here. Solid fish. Real nice. Real nice fish. Missed it and came back for it. That's what I'm talking about. There we go. There we go. There we go, boys. Nice one to finish off our day. Nice one to finish off our day. And the only reason I'm leaving is because I got invited to breakfast. And it's at my favorite restaurant, Country House. If you guys are from Winter Garden at all and y'all know Country House, man, y'all know that's the spot. You cannot pass that up. That is the place to eat breakfast, boys. I'll tell you that. Oh, man. Maybe can we get one more? Right at the bank. Right at the bank. Oh, that bass is a little lethargic. Boy, you need to eat. Had to get little bro off the couch, get him out here.
Sir,
What they eating, what they chewing, what they chewing. Yeah, what I'm talking about.